Hello guys, today I want to quickly show you how to use wire elements model with Laravel Livewire and how easy it is. So if you have, for example, Laravel table, you can click edit user, then enter some information updated ... in the model, and then the table would be refreshed. To implement that in Livewire and wire elements model, all you need to do is a few things actually. Of course, you need to install Laravel Livewire first, which is composer require livewire, and then you need to put in your main layout blade file Livewire styles at the top in the head section and Livewire scripts at the bottom. So that's the part to install Livewire if you haven't already. And then with wire elements model, you just do composer require that package and then add Livewire UI model at the bottom like this, like I did here. Then also you need Alpine.js for that, which is just adding that from CDN and nothing else. So you shouldn't even care how Alpine works. You just add this line. You can choose version 3 or version 2 Alpine, which are both good for this case. And then to create the model itself, all you need to do is create a component like you would do regularly, make Livewire, and then change the extend component to extend model component. And I did exactly that for edit user Livewire component, which is a model component, and we're working with the user object here. The edit form is rendered in the render section, Livewire edit user. Then in that blade file, all the inputs that you have, you do wire model to user dot whatever field that is. So in my case, it's username and user email. And then to open that model and to pass the parameter, there are a few ways how to do that. So here's the official documentation, and here's what I did in the index blade. So that's already a Livewire component in itself. The table, one of the options is Livewire emit event, open model, and the name of the model component, and then JSON passing the user. And then in that model edit user blade, the form itself prevent submit to the update method, and update method in the component has this. So typical Livewire operation, this validate, and the rules are here, user name required, email required, and stuff like that. Then we save the user and we close model with events, which means updating the table. Index users is another Livewire component, updating the table without page refresh. User updated, if we go back to index user, we have the listener of user updated, just calls the render again. So it takes the data from the database again and refreshes the table. I would say this is pretty easy to use, so great package, great component from this guy, from Philo Hermans from the Netherlands. And it has even more features that I didn't try myself. So it has, if we scroll a bit down, child model. So you can have model which calls another model, kind of like the matrix within the matrix. I've just recently watched Matrix Resurrection, so I have a lot of references for that. Or maybe you're a fan of another movie, Inception, with a few levels, so this is the same thing. So you can read all about that, how to close child, how to do some other stuff. The documentation is pretty great. And if you want more examples of Livewire of such or similar components, I have my own Livewire kit with 35 components, currently priced at $29 for all of them, but I will raise the price when I reach 39 components sometime in 2022. The price will be $39. But it is still a great deal in my opinion. It's not a recurring price, it's one-time price to get all the components and everything I will release in the future, because you will get access to the GitHub repository. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.